Hello and welcome to Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In today's matchup, we have Stratus versus Durandal. Now, as you can see, Stratus has much larger wings and has a bit better glide ratio as a result, but Durandal is extremely fast, so it will be very interesting to see who comes out on top. Let's see these planes in action. 3, 2, 1, go! While Stratus managed to score 1 point, Durandal takes home the victory with a score of 4-1 and a farthest flight of 112 feet. With this result, Stratus is eliminated from the tournament and Durandal advances to round 2, where it awaits the winner of Pegasus and Silk Shark. If you'd like to learn how to fold Stratus or Durandal, just click on the videos on the left side of your screen, and if you want to see the next video in this tournament, just click on the video on the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next race.